Fossil fuels. Today, we will define fossil fuels, explain how they are formed, enumerate types of fossil fuels, also discuss the advantages and disadvantages of fossil fuels. What comes to mind when you hear fossil fuel? Think of the terms fossil and fuel to guide your thinking. Defining fossil fuels. Formed from the remains of plants and animals from millions of years ago. Just like fossils. Natural, ancient sources of energy. Because they are fuels. How are fossil fuels formed? Remains of ancient plants and animals, called organic material, are buried in rock layers throughout time. Transform into natural sources of energy called fossil fuels. During this process, organic materials are subjected to intense heat and pressure. Chemically speaking, as primarily composed of carbon and hydrogen atoms, fossil fuels are classified as hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons come in the form of solid, liquid or gas. Methane is an example of hydrocarbon. Examples of fossil fuels: coal, petroleum, natural gas. How are fossil fuels extracted? Coal extracted through surface or underground mining. Petroleum extracted by on-land and offshore drilling through the use of a rig or platform. Natural gas are extracted by drilling, then pumped into pipelines. What are the pros and cons of fossil fuels? The power of fossil fuels. The burning of fossil fuels makes light, heat and electricity possible. Fossil fuels are cost-effective and can generate large amounts of power. The problem with fossil fuels: finite and non-renewable. Once used they cannot be replaced. Contribute to global warming. They produce carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases when burned. May lead to diseases and other health issues. The burning of fossil fuels has been linked to respiratory diseases,